Hey guys.
What, Rubik?
What? Okay, look, see? Guys, look, I found a Rubik's Cube. Oh,
Kristen, you don't have to use a Rubik's Cube. I'm using the tea. It's called sweet tea.
I wish try to solve the puzzle. Guys, it's impossible to solve the Rubik's Cube. I could do it. Oh, really? You want to bet? I shall do it. I'll solve a Rubik's Cube. There we go, I solved it. There we go, and now I just need... What the frick? Wait, what? Which? What board? If you just solve the white side, you also have to solve the other side. I can't do that. Okay, let me try. Okay.
But you need some tea.
Frick you, I'm trying to solve a Rubik's Cube, you stupid bot. Stupid eye. Stupid. There we go. Yeah, but if you solve that, it's gonna mess up the white. What? Frick it. I don't think I'm gonna do this. Make a stupid Rubik's Cube. I know it's stupid, it's hard, but not a lot of people solve that. Not a lot of people solve it. Not even there's most people who can't even solve one. Just do it. Stupid.
Hey, Witch. Do you need some tea?
No, frick that. Stupid cube.
Witch, don't wag it. Don't wag it. Don't.
Back up.
Give me the stick.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Give me the stick.
Stop it. Poke your eye. Freaking stupid. Dave.
What, Witch? You don't have to do this.
Stupid freaking witch. Let me take that back off.
Witch. Write that down.
Hold on. Let me try to solve it. All right. Let me try to solve it.
Take this away.
I'll go over there. I'll go over there. All right, fine. You know what? Do you know what?
What the fuck, Mom? Why did you find a Rubik's Cube? You should give me the cushion.
Sorry.
Not say her.
Okay.
Move it.
Which? Freak board the hut. Sorry. Stupid head. Ow. Yeah, the hut. I freaking hut. You ever avoid in my freaking head.
Hey!
Why pointing?
Freeze.
Why pointing a gun at us?
Because you did the wrong thing.
Oh, I go. Okay, so I'm fine. What about me? Am I fine?
No, you're not fine. You abusing her.
That was an accident.
Shut up or I'll kill you. With your big fat nose.
I don't have a big fat no.
That hurts, right?